Hi there. If you're feeling stressed out or overwhelmed right now, you're going to love this relaxing and deep stretching yoga routine. Let's do it together.
Welcome to yoga. Meet me in child's pose. With your knees as wide or as close together as comfortable for you today. Take the arm variation that serves you today. You can extend your arms out long or bend your elbows with your hands closer to your head. Feel your body and your mind becoming calm as you breathe deeply into this grounding, relaxing pose. Slowly rise, coming into a tabletop, and then just sit your hips over to one side, swing your legs out in front of you, extending your legs straight out in front of you for a seated forward fold. With your feet either together or hip distance and your legs straight or bent at your knees, walk your hips out from underneath you so you're not rounding at your lower back, and then sit up tall as you slowly hinge forward from your hips, walking your hands forward to support you, finding your variation of a seated forward fold today. And don't get tricked by the name, seated forward fold. You're likely not going to actually fold over your legs. You're likely just going to hinge forward just a little bit until you can feel tension releasing along the back line of your legs and your hamstrings and calves. And it's there that I want you to stay. And breathe. And with each deep inhale, lengthen your spine, lifting up through your heart. And as you exhale, hinge at your hips, folding forward just a little bit more. Inhaling to lengthen, exhaling to deepen. This is the kind of posture you can take before bed or any time throughout the day when you feel that your mind is racing. This is the kind of posture that can help push the brakes on a fight or flight response and encourage a rest and relaxation response. So use this as a tool whenever you need it. To come out, slowly walk your hands back and take your time as you come to lie down on your back. Bend your knees so your feet are flat on your mat. And cross your right ankle over your left knee, not all the way to close your knees, but just so that your right ankle is sitting on the outside of your left knee. With this connection, lower both of your legs towards your right. And feel free to extend your arms out long like a T, or cactus arms overhead, or any variation that serves you in this variation of a twist. And while you're here, don't forget to breathe. Keep your ankle to knee connection and slowly draw your legs back to center. Then take your time as you lower your legs to your left side for a new sensation within a new kind of twist. Each exhale, an opportunity to let go, to soften, and to slow down. Then make your way back to center. Release your right foot back down onto your mat and switch sides. Left ankle outside of your right knee. And keep this connection as you lower both legs to your left. And breathe. And consider for a moment this theory of the coin. So whatever you're feeling today, whatever pain or ailment brought you to this video today, as uncomfortable as it is, become aware of the silver lining. Find gratitude for the other side of the coin. Before I tell you more, first, draw your legs back to center, keep your ankle to knee connection, and then lower your legs down to your right side. So the silver lining is the other side of the coin. The other side of the coin that is pain is presence. As awful as it can feel, as awful as it can be, it sure has a way of making you present. For illness, the other side of the coin is learning to embrace self-care. The other side of the stress coin is learning to slow down. And for injury, it could be learning to accept change and creating new boundaries. Find gratitude as you reflect on the other side of the coin that brought you here today. Draw your legs back to center and find full wind pose, holding onto your shins, giving yourself a hug. Find gratitude for the other side of the coin that brought you here today. And when you're ready, release into your final Shavasana. Extend your legs out long with your feet falling open. Take up space, as much space as you'd like. This is your space. With your palms facing up, relax your shoulders and close your eyes. And with your body fully supported by the ground beneath you, I want you to practice something called a physiological sigh. The way that you do it is you take 2 sharp inhales through your nose and 1 long exhale out through your mouth, like this. Do it with me 3 times. Then breathe normally and notice the wave of relaxation come over you as you soften into the ground beneath you and you tell yourself, I am safe, I am secure, I am healing. You're welcome to stay here for as long as you'd like. If you are ready to come out now, invite movement back into your fingers and toes. Then gently curl up on one side into a fetal position. And use your hands to press yourself up to seated, bringing your hands together at heart center. A time like now is a good time to practice santosha. Santosha being the yoga philosophy for appreciating this moment exactly as it is without wanting anything more. This includes everything about your life and gratitude for everything that brought you here. As you look back, you can see all of those dots lining up. So how can you practice santosha? Appreciation and gratitude, knowing that in this moment and for your best future self, you are exactly where you need to be. Namaste.
As we wrap up this relaxing practice, remember to carry peace with you through the rest of your day today. And prioritize your self-care as part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, I'd love for you to join us in our 21-day yoga challenge. Totally free, all on YouTube, and all you need to do is click the link in the description below to join us or scan this QR code. See you there.